how to import a PDF into Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily import a PDF into Notion in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head over to www.notion.so and log in to your account. You can sign in using Google, Apple, or your email, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, choose the workspace where you want to upload the PDF. Now, go to the page where you'd like to import your PDF. If you don't have a page ready, simply create a new one by clicking the plus new page option from the sidebar. Once inside the page, look towards the top right or the bottom area and click on the three-dot menu to access more options. From the menu, click on Import. Now you'll see a list of available sources. Choose Upload or Upload File from your computer. Browse through your files and select the PDF you want to import. Once selected, Notion will automatically upload and embed the PDF into your page. After the upload is complete, you'll see your PDF displayed as an interactive embed. You can scroll through it, move it around the page, or resize it to fit your layout. This makes it super convenient to read, reference, or organize your PDFs directly in Notion. That's all for the video.